Hello everyone, welcome to Iven channel. This is Dora from Iven. Today we are at the door of our factory. I want to introduce our factory to you. Here is our first workshop. Let's go to see what machine we have in our workshop. Let's go. Okay, we can see when we enter our workshop, we can see our engineer is working now. They assemble the machine components here. And we can see this all is our engineer working. Now they are working is for our vacuum tube assembly machine. We can see here is the components. Before assembling machine finished, we can see many components need to assemble. Here is what our engineer is working. And okay, and then we go to here is our many different machines. First is here we can see this is our valve inspection machine. If you have this inquiry, you want to check the valve, you can send us your inquiry to us. And then here is our another machine. You can see. Let's go to here. Here is our this bottle, glass bottle. Here this machine is washing this bottle, and then they will go to this drying machine for drying and sterilizing. You can see here. And then after drying machine, the bottle will with our conveyor to our filling and sealing machine. Here is our filling machine. For this model of machine, we can see here has 8 filling heads, and it also has before and after nitrogen. If you have this inquiry, you can also send us your requirements. Our machine all is customized. And here we can see here is capping station here. After filling and then capping here. And this is our cap hopper, you can see. And then after filling, after washing, filling, sealing, we will go to our labeling machine. We can see here. Here is our labeling machine. This is the nozzle, we can see. Oh, you can, yes, like this. How to use it, you can see. And the cap. And here is our label will be placed here and through the machine. And here is HMI, and through here we can print the date, expiry dates, and the production date all here. And here has a sensor to detect the label. Okay, after labeling, we will go to our cartoning machine. You can see all these conveyor will connect to machines. You can see here is our cartoning machine HMI, or we can operate on this screen. And for this cartoning machine, the first station is the folding leaflet. You can see that your leaflet will be placed here, and then through it to our boxing. And then we can see here is our box will be here, and then will be forming like this way, and then through this station and push our products into the into this box, you can see. And after finish it, this like this. This is the finished products, like this. And for our cartooning machine, we can also customize with that. You can print the dates on the box. Okay, this is this machine. If you have related inquiry, please contact us. Okay, let's see the next what we have. And you can see all these machines are packaged. Yes, this machine now we are ready to ship. We through our customers FAT and all is passed, so now it's ready to ship. This is our standard package, you can see, and this is waterproof to ensure that when we ship to your site, there will no damage. And all this machine is ready to ship, we can see here. So at this part of our workshop is the machine ready to ship to our customer site. And we can see, and after we package it, we will have a mark on the package. You can see it will has the description. For example, this package is our PET tube mold. It's for vacuum tube. Yes, so you don't need to worry about our machine quality has any damage when we ship to your site. We will all package it well, like this. And let's go to see other machines. And this is the bottle blowing machine. And it's also with pass the FAT from our customer. And in the future, they will be packaged also and will shipped to our customer site. And for here, you can see we can also equip them with sterilizer to customers. Yes, this is the ploughed vacuum sterilizer here. Hello, welcome to our live show. Now we are introduce our workshop in Shanghai. And I will show what machine we have in our workshop now. And this machine is the VHP. You can see VHP in chamber. For example, in our cleaning room, if you want to transfer the you want to transfer the tools from class B to class C, you need to this VHP chamber. Yes, and then we can see here some large text. All this is our water treatment system. You know, if you want to start with a pharmaceutical factory, you first need to treat your water. So if you have this inquiry, please send us your raw water. And if you have raw water quality reports, please also send it to us. That will be better because we can customize our water treatment system according to your raw water quality. It will be most suitable for you. Here, all is water treatment machine, we can see. Okay, if you want to our vacuum tube machine, I will introduce to you. Here is for assembly line. And this is the last station. Let's go to here. I will introduce to you. Okay, this is the first station of our vacuum tube assembly line. Here is the tube, empty tube hopper. You can see this lifter will lifting our tube into our assembly machine. Here is the tube loading. We can see clearly here. Tube collection and then go to the first station. You can see each station we will equip them with our HMI here. So we can operate our assembly line, each machine separately. And this is the first station, tube loading. This is our tube racks. You can see here. And for tubes, one time it can placed in 100 tubes in one rack. And for the capacity, it depends on you. If your hourly capacity is high, more than 15,000 pieces per hour, the first station, tube loading, will have 2 racks to tube loading. The first station here, and then we will go to here. The second station. The second station is our dozen. We have 3 types of dozen station for coagulant, anticoagulant, and sodium citrate. These 3 types of liquids. And then is our drying machine for tube drying. We normally have 4 sets of our drying machine, drying sets, like you can see here. Okay, and after drying, we will go to the next station. The next station is capping station. We can see this here. This station, behind the machine, there will have a caps hopper here. We'll send to here, and our racks will be placed here. The cap will come to on the tube, and then the next station is vacuuming station. Okay, here for this assembly line, our vacuuming can vacuuming 200 tubes at one time. We can see here. Okay, then we'll go to the next station. For this assembly line is after labeling assembly line. That means that the labeling will be after the assemble. You can see here the tube. The assembled tube will be here and come to our labeling machine. For our labeling, we can see here label will be placed here, and then each tube will be labeled from here. And we also, for assembly machine, we can equip it with our computer and camera. We can check the label, whether the label is assembled, quantified. And after labeling, we go to the next station. Here is foam tray loading. We can see we equipped with robots here. So what situation it will be suitable for this assembly line is suitable for our high hourly quality. For example, the hourly capacity you want to produce is more than 18,000 pieces per hour. We will suggest that you use this line. But it all depends on you. We can customize our vacuum tube machine according to your requirements. If you want to first labeling machine and then connect with our assembly machine, that will be also okay. Okay, after foam tray loading, we will go to the next machine. Is our heat shrink packing machine. This is our heat shrink packing machine. We can see through here to heating and sealing. You can see this is finished products like this. What we see, we can often see in the hospital like this. And if you want to also label on this foam tray, on the foam tray, you can also equip it with a labeling machine here. This labeling machine, we can see the label will be placed here, and then through here to label the machine on the foam tray. So this is the finished products will be like this. You can label on the foam tray or beside the foam tray. It depends on you. Okay, let's continue to introduce our machine in our workshop. You can see all this is our water treatment system. For example, the RU machine and the EDI or water treatment system depends on your requirements. Okay, now let's go to continue. So for our vacuum blood collection tube machine, if you want to produce the vacuum tube, you can send us your requirements, like the size of tube, the hourly capacity you want to produce, and what color of vacuum tube you want to produce, or you can send it to us, and then we will, according to your requirement, to customize our machine to you and prepare the quotation to you. And okay, here, let's come back to our engineer working station area here. Actually, this is our first workshop. We have another 2 workshops. The second floor of this building is also our workshop. The second floor is mainly produce our medical products machine, and many of our engineers is working on the second floor, but I will introduce to you next time to our second floor workshop. Now let's go to our another building. It's also our workshop. Here we'll also have some other machines placed here. Let's go. Actually, our factory is in industrial area. You can see here, so it has different buildings. We have 2 buildings for our factory. The first building has 2 floors, is our workshop, and another building is the first floor. And we can see here is our another workshop. The machine workshop will be placed here. The second floor is our factory office. So welcome to visit our factory. If you have any related inquiries, if you want to visit what machine we have in our machine, you want to check our machine quality, welcome to contact us and welcome to visit us. Our factory in Shanghai and our office also in Shanghai is very convenient to visit. Okay, let's go to the second workshop. Okay, I will introduce to you from this side. You can see here has the two seam machine. This 2 machine is blister packing machine. So this packing machine is pack what products? You can guess. Yes, this is for packing our syringe. These 2 machines both packing our syringe. So if you have syringe inquiry, you can also send us your requirements. We can provide you with whole production line. And for our syringe production line, we also sold many production lines to our customers. And this machine, we can see, this small machine. This small machine is our vial. It's produce our vial with powder. You can see this small machine because this is customized for our customer. Our customer, if you have a small capacity requirement, we can also meet your requirements. For this machine, we have 1 filling head and 1 capping head. And the hourly capacity, it can reach around 1,500 to 1,800 pieces per hour. So if you have small hourly capacity requirements or large hourly requirements, both we can do. So if you have this inquiry, just send us your requirements. We can provide the suitable machine to you. Okay, let's open the door. Let's see how to operate. Here, the the vial will through to here, this station, and ready to filling. We can see here this tank is full. The material will be filled into the vial. This is the powder. And you can see here is the filling head. You can see here just one filling head. And this is the rubber. After filling, the rubber will be placed on the vial. And then go to next station, filling, sealing here. And then this product is finished. Okay, this is our tablet pressing machine. We can see this is the small one. And for our model of our tablet machine is based on your requirements. If you have large capacity requirements, we will provide other model of our machine to you. And now we can see this tablet press machine. We will open the power to introduce to you how to operate this machine. You can see here on the machine we have different buttons, and this is powder button. We can turn right is to open it, and here is also the powder. It's the power, and for this is to control this ore plate. You can see like this. If we manual operate, you can see if you like this. And here is the button is to control the speed of the machine. And this this button is the igniter. Yeah, you can see when here has it will light if they has any situation. And this four button, this two is to control the tablet volume. Is to control the powder volume, and this two is to control the pressure when we present the tablets. And we can see on the machine here has two tank here. We need to put our powder into this two tank, and then open the machine to operate. And it will through the machine and will be form the tablet. Yes, we can see here. This is our tablet pressing machine. And here is a machine. You can see it is similar with our this last two machines. Yes, it's also our blister packing machine. But for this blister packing machine, this model is different than that two machines. You see, it's a little larger. And this blister packing machine is to pack our syringe needle like this. You can see. And we can also print it on the pack. You can see here. It can or print it. And for the model of our blister packing machine, it also depends on your capacity requirements. Okay, let's see another small machine. You can see here. This small machine. You can see this small machine. Can you guess what machine this is? Okay, let me introduce to you. We can see here, from the left side is the first station. Let's open the door. Yes, this is non-PVC bag machine, and this is our non-PVC film. Why this non-PVC bag machine is so small? That's because it's customers for our customer, and the hourly capacity is small. And for this machine, we also only have one filling head, one filling station. So that's why this machine is small. This machine is suitable to some customers who is the first to invest the IV bag project and have some not enough baggage and want to open their local market. So this one is suitable. This is also customized. So all of our machine is customized based on our customers' requirement. We can see here, this one is fitting. You can see here to this fitting head and here. And also has two hoppers. One is for ports, one is for cap. And after this finish it will be the finished product is our IV bike, non-PVC IV bike. If you want to see the samples, welcome to visit our factory. When you come here, we can operate our machine and we can run our machine. You can see the sample. You can see the product quality and our machine quality. Okay, in this workshop, the last machine is this one. You can see it has a large conveyor. What this machine is, this machine is also belong to packing machine. And here, this station is our automatic carton erector. Our carton will be placed, you can see here. Yes. The carton box will be placed here, and through this station, it will become a carton, and then through this conveyor to next station. And for here, for this conveyor is to transfer, it's to delivery our products through here to this way, from this conveyor and to this station, and then place our products into the carton and then selling it or will be finished. You can see here. So for our conveyor, we can be customized according to your factory, according to your workshop. You can see this in our second workshop what machine we have here now, and many machines just shipped to our customer sites, and some machine is ready to ship. Maybe next time you visit to our factory, we have other machines will be placed here, because for Iven, we are a group. We have 4 factories. We have pharmaceutical factory in Changsha, and we have here in Shanghai factory. Many place all of our machines ready to ship and convenient for our customer for FAT, and for this factory we will also produce medical product machine will be here, and another factory is our water treatment system factory, and the last factory is our auto packing factory. That's all this. So today's our factory introduced is finished. Thanks for your watching, and if you have any related inquiry, welcome to contact us, contact Iven, and we will follow you. And if you have any requirements, we can customize our machine according to your requirements. If you have any special requirements, also can send us to you. All of our machine is customized. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.